How's it going there, YouTube? I'm going to do a quick little video here because it's getting dark outside. I wanted to check my motor oil here in the W4 after I put it back in the shop here after painting that wheel this afternoon, and I realized I could not find an engine oil dipstick. Now, Oliver Hardpower, Cockshot Hardpower, does have a dipstick. This tractor is built in the 1950s. It does not have an engine oil dipstick. It has petcocks on the side of the oil pan. I was looking in the owner's manual, and then before I got to the page I realized, oh yeah, I do believe those have petcocks on the drain pan, and sure enough it does. Now that tractor is 1937. It has an engine oil dipstick. Makes life easy. Now how you find these things, I know it's dark. I'm gonna turn the light on here. It's down here. So if you're sitting on the tractor, you'll be on the passenger side of your oil pan. Now I already cracked them open a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys something if I can get it on film here. Let me get my light set up. Hopefully you guys can see this alright. Alright, so these two petcocks, so these are set up in the same fashion like you have a low and full on your dipstick on a normal tractor. I guess we'll call it a normal way. So what you want to do, you want to check and see if you have oil. You can get it quick. See, a little bit of oil comes out. So that means you have oil, and then up here would be your full mark. There, it drips out there a little bit. There's some oil there. So that's how you do that. So I've got oil right up to here. That's perfect. And it's pretty clean looking too, so it looks like Charlie did that for me. But anyway, I just want to do a quick little video here just to show you guys that, and see you on the next one.